Assalamualaikum, dear student of class 6. I am fine. I hope that you are all very well. Today our topic is have and has. Have and has. Page number 4 and 5. First of all, I am teaching you usage of have and has. Have and has helping verb of present perfect tense. Helping verbs of present. Helping verbs are present perfect tense. Beta, be carefully. Listen to my lecture. First, I am telling you usage of have and has. Helping verbs of present perfect tense. What is present perfect tense? What is present perfect tense? Such a form of verb which shows that subject done some work. Now means add of such a form of verb. Such a form of verb अहिड़ो verb कम जंहिंमां असांखे ख़बर पए त कम जे कंदड़ हाणे पंहिंजो वर्क छा कयो आहे, फिनिश कयो आहे, ख़तमु कयो आहे. नाउ फिनिश्ड. ओके, नाउ सो हैव एंड हैव्स helping verbs of present perfect tense. Have we use I, we, you, they, and plural names. Okay. Have, I, we, you, they, and plural names we use have. We use have, I, we, you, they, and plural names are nouns. Now has, we use which pronouns? He, she, it, and names are nouns. Names are nouns. Look, have and has helping verbs are present perfect tense. We use have, I, we, you, they, and plural names. Have we use I, we, you, they, and plural names. Has we use he, she, it, and singular names. Listen beta. Have, I, has helping verbs are present perfect tense जा जेके असां इस्तेमाल कंदा आहियूं कहिड़नि प्रोनाउन सां, कहिड़नि ज़मीरनि सां. आई, वी, यू, दे ऐं जेके बि हिक खां वधीक नाला हुजनि, हिक खां वधीक शयूं हुजनि. ऐं उन खां पोइ जेको हेज़ आहे, हेज़ असां इस्तेमालु कंदा आहियूं कहिड़नि ज़मीरनि सां, ही, शी, इट. ऐं सिंगुलर नेम्स आर नाउन्स जेके वाहिद यानी अकेला हुजनि, उन सां असां छा यूज़ कंदा आहियूं, हेज़ यूज़ कंदा आहियूं. हैव ऐं हैज़ मीन्स हर टेंस जा पंहिंजा हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स हूंदा आहिनि जेके उन टेंस जी आइडेंटिफिकेशन कंदा आहिनि, उन जी सुञाणप में असांजी हेल्प कंदा आहिनि, मदद कंदा आहिनि. हाणे ॾिसो, उन सां गॾु वर्ब हूंदो आहे, कमु हूंदो आहे. वर्ब इज़ वर्क इन दी सेंटेंस. वर्ब इज़ अ वर्क के उहो कमु हूंदो आहे. कमु विच वर्क के ईट, ड्रिंक के, गोइंग, etc. नाउ बेटा have and has. Example, first, I have bought a book. Now I is a pronoun. Have is a helping verb. Bought, third form of verb. Verb means work. Now a article. Book, noun, thing. Okay, now I have bought a book. I have bought a book. I is a pronoun, we use have. And third form of verb, bought. First form, by. Third form of verb. Verb is work. Work in the sentence. Listen. Have we use I, we, you, they, and plural names. Plural means more than one thing. Now, other examples I will write. My brother dash a pen. Which helping verb we use? Have or has? My brother, only singular. Only singular. So a pen. My brother has a pen. We use his. Why we use his? Because my brother only one. His. Number second. They pens. They dash bought a pens. They dash bought a pens. There is a plural, more than one persons. So we use have, not a his. Have, not a his. Now page number 5. My brother dash a pen. My sisters dash some pretty dresses. My sisters dash some dresses. My sisters have, not a his. My sisters have some pretty dresses. First exercise, finish have and has. Listen, have and has are helping verbs of present perfect tense. Have we use I, we, you, they and plural names, and has we use he, she and singular names. I have bought a pen. I have. I is the first person, so we use have. And buy is the first form of verb. Third form of verb is bought. A book. A is the article. Now number second exercise is N. Indefinite article. Indefinite article. Ever use only one thing, and N means one. Only one. Thank you. Today our topic has finished.